In this video, you will learn how to sell Ethereum or ETH in Blofin. First, open the Blofin app or website, then enter your credentials to access your account. After that, if you have not already, deposit the Ethereum into your Blofin account by going to the wallet or asset section, then select Ethereum and click deposit. Provide the ETH deposit address to transfer Ethereum from your external wallet to Blofin. Then, go to the trading section. After your Ethereum has been deposited, navigate to the trading or exchange section in the platform. Look for an ETH or USDT currency pairing trade. Then, select the amount that you want to choose or the Ethereum you want to sell. You can sell just a portion of your Ethereum or you can sell all of it. You will have the option to sell at the current market price or place a limited offer for a specific price. Placing a sell order. If you want to sell at the current market price, select market and confirm the order. If you want to use a limit order, set the price at which you want to sell, then confirm the order. The sale will complete when the market reaches your specific price. Confirm the transaction. Double check the details of your sell order, including the amount and the price. Confirm and finalize your transaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.